This is the easiest way to clean your ice maker. First of all, make sure you unplug it and make sure you remove the removable parts. The next thing we need to do is to drain this water right here. To accomplish this, we need to remove the drain plug. You see that piece right there? That little rubber piece? That's your drain plug. So let's take it to the sink and drain it out. Just gonna pop that right out. Like that. To clean our machine, we need to descale it with vinegar. This is just some regular distilled white vinegar you can buy from Walmart, and it will work perfectly fine. What you're gonna do is run the vinegar through the machine. You're gonna run a clean cycle. So you're gonna look for the clean button. Now some machines don't have a clean button. If your machine doesn't have one, for a lot of them, all you need to do is hold the on and off button, and that will engage the clean mode. As you can see, mine has no clean button. So for me, all I do is I hold this on and off button right here, and it will engage the cleaning mode. What's happening is the vinegar is being circulated all throughout the internal components and canals. And what it's doing is it's breaking down all the hard water lime scale buildup that's in the machine, along with any mold and mildew gunk along the way. Now, not all ice machines have a cleaning mode, have a cleaning cycle. If you're unsure about yours, just go to Google, type in the make and model of your machine, and if there's no cleaning cycle, just run a regular ice making cycle with the vinegar. It will produce vinegar ice, but no big deal. You're not gonna eat it, just throw it away. During the vinegar cleaning cycle, this is a perfect opportunity for you to wash the removable parts with dish soap in the sink. After the vinegar cleaning cycle is over, we need to clean the inside of the machine. To do that, you just need these 3 items. A regular brush like this, a cleaning toothbrush, and a knife. Why the knife? Here's why. You gotta use this knife to pop out that vent piece right there, because a lot of mold and mildew gets trapped underneath. Allow me to demonstrate. Right there. That's what's underneath the vent piece. See that reddish, mildewy substance? We gotta clean that. Just get you a little cleaning toothbrush and scrub it real good. You can even use your finger if you need. And here's another clean technique for you. Take your brush, bend it, and you can clean those little gaps right there. I like that. Get your brush, and you can scrub up back there. I like that. This toothbrush right here is just gonna allow you to scrub all those surfaces really, really well. Now that the interior has been cleaned, we need to flush out and rinse all the vinegar from the internal components. To flush out the machine, all you do is run 2 of your cleaning cycles with plain water. After flushing out the machine, we need to clean the exterior. The first thing we're gonna start on is the fan. To do this, all you need is a little vacuum cleaner and give the fan a good vacuum. Next thing we need to do is just to wipe down the whole exterior of the machine to remove any fingerprints and grease. Just get you a damp cloth, add you a little dish soap if you need, if it's really greasy, and that dish soap will break down any of that grease. After you wipe it down with your damp cloth, I like to buff it dry with a dry microfiber cloth. Just like this. Now you might be asking yourself, how often do I need to run this cleaning process? If you use your machine regularly, I recommend doing this every 1 to 2 months. One thing I want to mention that when you're running your cleaning cycle through your machine, run a 50-50 mixture. So 50% white vinegar and 50% water. And one last maintenance tip, in an effort to prevent mold and mildew from forming inside the machine, whenever you finish using it, make sure you leave the lid open to allow the excess moisture inside to evaporate. Lingering moisture with the lid closed will cause mold and mildew to form. So always leave it open after you're finished. And that is the easiest way to clean your ice machine.